Devi Mahatmyam, Chapter 11. Protect us always. The rishi said, when the great demon was killed by the Devi, all the gods, led by Agni, sang the praise of Katyayani. Their shining faces filled the universe with radiant light. O Devi, you who remove the sufferings of your devotees, be pleased with us. O Mother of all the world, be gracious. O Queen of the universe, protect the universe. O Devi, you rule everything that moves and everything that is immovable. You alone are the foundation of everything. You stand in the form of the earth. All this universe gets satisfaction from you in the form of water. You have limitless courage. You are the Vishnu Shakti. You are the ultimate power of Maya, the seed source of the universe. By your power, all this universe has been thrown into illusion, O Devi. If you become pleased, you become the cause of liberation of all creation. All sciences are part of you. The feminine power of all women is from you. By you alone, O Great Mother, by you alone, this world is filled. How can we sing your praise when you are beyond praise? All the sublime words are deficient. O Devi, you are the power which resides in all beings to give them self realization, to give the bliss of moksha. How then can we find words to describe your glory? You dwell as intelligence in every heart to bestow heaven and the ultimate freedom. O Narayani, we bow to you. We bow to you, O Narayani, who, in the form of minutes and other divisions of time, brings about change in all things and ultimately the destruction of the universe. O three eyed Devi, giver of auspiciousness and prosperity, O Narayani, you are our only refuge. We surrender to you. We bow to you, O Narayani. You are the power of creation, sustentation, and destruction eternally. You are the cause of the three gunas and also beyond them. You are the supreme path of salvation. You give refuge to the dejected and distressed. You also absorb all that distresses your devotees. O Narayani, we bow to you. You who ride in the heavenly chariot drawn by swans, when you take the form of Brahmani, you sprinkle water steeped in kusha grass. O Narayani, we bow to you. We bow to you, O Narayani, you who have the form of Maheshwari. When holding your trident, you ride the great bull. You are adorned with the moon and a serpent. You who are sinless, you take the form of Kaumari, wielding great power in your spear, accompanied by cocks and peacocks. O Narayani, we bow to you. O you who, in the form of Vaishnavi, hold the great conch, discus, mace, and bow, be pleased with us, O Narayani. We bow to you, O Narayani, when in the form of Varahi you grasp the huge discus and support the earth on your tusks. In the fierce form of Narasimha, you protect the three worlds, killing the demons. O Narayani, we bow to you. As Aindri, you hold the thunderbolt, crowned with a diadem. Dazzling with your thousand eyes, you took Vritha's life. O Narayani, we bow to you. We bow to you who slew the mighty hosts of Daityas when you became Shivadhuti of terrible appearance and roaring voice. In your form as Chamunda, with the garland of skulls, with your wide mouth and fearsome teeth, you killed the demon Munda. O Narayani, we bow to you. O Narayani, reverence to you. You are nourishment, modesty, prosperity, wisdom, faith. You are the sweet libation and the sacrificial ladle. You are the great night, the great illusion. We bow to you. We bow to you, O Narayani. You are Saraswati, the source of understanding, Beautiful, dark-bodied, and intuitive, be pleased with us. O Queen of all, you reside in every being. You are the power that enlivens every being. In the form of Durga, you cross the sea of terrible calamities to rescue us. We bow to you. May this benevolent face of yours, adorned with three eyes, protect us from all terror. O Katyayani, we bow to you. The slicing edge of your flame forged trident kills all demons. It guards us from fear, O Bhadrakali, we bow to you. O Devi, that bell of yours fills the world with its ringing. It destroys the vigor of the demon hosts. May it save us from error like a mother's voice. O Chandika, the sword you wield in your bright hands has brought our salvation. Smeared as it was with the fat and blood of the demons, we bow to you. When pleased, you destroy all disease. When angry, you frustrate impure desires. Those who seek you are always protected. Indeed, others seek refuge in them. O Ambika, you manifest your many forms as you work this great slaughter. What other goddess is capable of this? You are the light which reveals the wisdom of the Vedas, of the sciences, and of the ancient sayings. But in the dark pit of the selfish mind, you cause the universe to reel terribly. Wherever Rakshasas dwell and virulent, poisonous snakes exist, where enemies and hosts of robbers are, there you stand. Even in volcanoes underwater, there you stand to protect the world. O Queen of the universe, you protect and hold the universe. You are the very self of the universe. You are the goddess adored by the Lord of the universe. Those who submit to you in devotion also become themselves the refuge of the universe. O Goddess, be gracious and protect us, always as you have done just now by this slaughter of Asuras. Destroy the sins of the worlds, protect us from the calamities which spring from the maturing of evil conditions. We surrender before you. Be gracious, O Goddess. You alone can remove the agony of the world. You are the one to be worshipped by the three worlds. Please bestow boons to the worlds. The Devi said, O Devas, I am ready. Ask a boon. Whatever you wish from this world, I will grant it. The Devas said, O Queen of all, as you have now destroyed our enemies, we pray you, please destroy all the troubles of the three worlds. The Devi said, when the 28th age has arrived, during the period of Vaivashvata's Manvantara, the demons Shumba and Nishumba will be born as two different demons. Then I shall come out of the womb of Yashoda in the form of Nanda Gopa, dwelling in the Vindhya mountain. I will destroy the demons. I shall incarnate again on earth in a ferocious form to slay the Dhanavas who descend from Viprachitti demon. And when I chew those fierce asuras, my teeth will become red as pomegranate flowers. Therefore, the gods in heaven and the men on earth shall praise me as Raktadantika when they pray. And again, when 100-year drought will occur, I will come, mind born on the prayers of the saints. I shall not be born of a womb, but will behold the Munis with 100 eyes. Then mankind shall praise me as Shatakshi, the 100-eyed, and I shall nourish the world with life-sustaining foliage, which shall grow from my cosmic body until the rains set in. I shall be known as Shakhambari and shall slay the great demon called Durgama. Then I shall be known as Goddess Durga when I again assume that terrible form on the mountain Himalaya and shall eat the Rakshasas for the sake of the devoted Munis. They shall bow and humbly praise me as Durga Devi. When the demon Aruna shall create havoc in the three worlds, I will be known as Bhima Devi. In my bee like form, as a swarm, I shall slay that Asura. Then everywhere people will praise me as Brahmhari whenever demons disturb them, and I will incarnate and kill their enemies. Dhyanam. Dhyanam. Om Bhalarabidhyutimindukireetam Tungakucham Nayanatrayayuktam Smeramukhiim Varadhankushapashabhitikaram Bhaje Bhuvaneshim. Om Rishiruvacha Devyahate Tatra Mahasurendre Sendrasuravanhi Purogamastam Katyayanim Tushtuvyurishtalabhat Vikashi Vaktrabja Vikasitashaha Devi Prapannati Hare Prasidha Prasida Matar Jagatokhilasya Prasida Vishveshwari Pahi Vishwam Tvamishwari Devi Characharasya Adharabhuta Jagatastvamekha Mahiswarupena Yatastitasi Apan Swarupastivthavya Tvayaitha Apyayate Kritsnamalangya Virye Tvam Vaishnavi Shaktirananta Virya Vishwasya Bijam Paramasi Maya Sammohitam Devi Samastametat Tvam Vai Prasanna Bhuvi Mukti Hetu Vidya Samastastava Devi Vedaha Striyas Samastas Sakala Jagatsu Tvayaikaya Puritamambayaitat Kate Stutistava Paraparoktihi Sarvabhutaya Dha Devi Bhukti Mukti Pradhayini Tvam Stuta Stutaye Khava Bhavantu Paramoktayah Sarvasya Buddhi Rupena Janasya Hridi Sanstite Swargapavargadhe Devi Narayani Namostute Kalakashtadi Rupena Parinam Pradayini Vishwasyoparatau Shakte Narayani Namostute Sarvamangala Mangalye Shive Sarvartha Sadike Sharanye Trayambike Gauri Narayani Namostute Shrushtisthitis Vinashani Shakti Bhute Sanatani Granashraye Gunamaye Narayani Namostute Sharanagata Dhinartha Paritrana Parayane Sarvasyarti Hare Devi Narayani Namostute Hansa Yukta Vimanaste Brahmani Rupadharini Kaushambah Sharike Devi Narayani Namostute Trishula Chandra Hidare Mahavrishabhahini Maheshwari Swarupena Narayani Namostute Mayura Kukutaprate Mahashaktidare Nadghe Kaumari Rupa Sanstane Narayani Namostute Shankha Chakra Gada Shargha Grihita Paramayude Prasida Vaishnavi Rupe Narayani Namostute Grihitogra Mahachakre Damshtrodhritavan Sundare Varaharupini Shive Narayani Namostute नृसिंहरूपेणोघ्रेण हन्तुं दैत्यान् कृतोद्यमे त्रैलोक्यत्राणसहिते नारायणी नमोऽस्तु ते किरीटिनि महावज्रे सहस्रनहनोज्ज्वले वृत्रप्राणहरे चैन्द्री नारायणी नमोऽस्तु ते शिवदूतिस्वरूपेण हतद्धैत्यमहाबले घोररूपे महारावे नारायणी नमोऽस्तु ते दंष्ट्राकरालवदने शिरोमालाविभूषणे चामुण्डे मुण्डमदने नारायणी नमोऽस्तु ते लक्ष्मीलज्जे महाविद्ये श्रद्धे पुष्टिस्वदे ध्रुवे महारात्रि महामाये नारायणी नमोऽस्तु ते मेधे सरस्वती वरे भूतिभाभ्रवितामसि नियते त्वं प्रसीदेशे नारायणी नमोऽस्तु ते सर्वस्वरूपे सर्वेशे सर्वशक्तिसमन्विते भयेभ्यस्त्राहि नो देवी दुर्गे देवी नमोऽस्तु ते एतत्ते वदनं सौम्यं लोचनत्रयभूषितं पातु नः सर्वभूतेभ्यः कात्यायनी नमोऽस्तु ते ज्वालाकरालमत्युग्रमशेषासुरसूदनं त्रिशूलं पातु नो भीतेर्भद्रकाली नमोऽस्तु ते हिनस्ति दैत्यतेजांसि स्वनेनापूर्ययाग्जगत् सा घण्टा पातु नो देवी पापेभ्यो नः सुतानिव आसुरासृग्वसापङ्कचर्चिस्तस्ते करोज्ज्वलः शुभाय कङ्गो भवतु चण्डिके त्वां नता वयम् रोगान् शेषानपहंसि तुष्टा रुष्टा तु कामान् सकलान् भीष्टान् त्वामाश्रितानां न विपन्नराणां त्वामाश्रिता ह्याश्रयतां प्रयान्ति एतत्कृतं यत्कदनं त्वयाद्धय धर्माद्विषां देवि महासुराणां रूपैरणैकैर्बहुधात्ममूर्तिं कृत्वाम्बिके तत्प्रकरोति कान्या विद्यासु शास्त्रेषु विवेकदीपेषु आद्येषु वाक्येषु च कात्वधन्या मम त्वगर्तेति महान्धकारे बिभ्रामयस्येतदतीव विश्वं रक्षांसि यत्रोग्रविशाश्च नागा यत्रारयो बलानि यत्र धावानलो यत्र तताब्धिमध्ये तत्र स्थिता त्वं परिपासि विश्वम् विश्वेश्वरि त्वं परिपासि विश्वम् विश्वात्मिकाधारसीह विश्वम् विश्वेशवन्ध्या भवती भवन्ति विश्वाश्रयाये त्वयि भक्तिनाम्राः देवि प्रसीद परिपालय नोरिभीतेः नित्यं यतासुरवधाद्धुनैव सद्यः पापानि सर्वजगतां प्रशमं नयाशु उत्पातपाकजनितांश्च महोपसर्गान् प्रणतानां प्रसीद त्वं देवि विश्वार्तिहारिणी त्रैलोक्यवासिनामीढ्ये लोकानां वरदा भव देव्युवाच वरदाहं सुरगणा वरः यन्मनसेच्छत् तं वृणुध्वं प्रयच्छामि जगतामुपकारकं देवौचुः सर्वाबाधाप्रशमनं त्रैलोक्यस्याखिलेश्वरी एवमेव त्वया कार्यमस्मद्भैरिविनाशनम् देव्युवाच वैवस्वतेऽन्तरे प्राप्ते 28मे युगे शुम्भो निशुम्भश्चैवान्यावुत्पत्स्येते महासुरौ नन्दगोपगृहे जाता यशोदा गर्भसम्भवा ततस्थौ नाशयिष्यामि विन्ध्याचलनिवासिनी
पुनरप्यतिरौद्रेण रूपेण पृथिवीतले आवतीर्य हनिष्यामि वैप्रचित्तांस्तु दानवान् पक्षयन्त्याश्च तानुग्रान् वैप्रचित्तान् महासुरान् रक्तादन्ता भविष्यन्ति धाडिमीकुसुमोपमाः ततो मां देवताः स्वर्गे मर्त्यलोके च मानवाः स्तुवन्तो व्याहरिष्यन्ति सततं रक्तदन्तिकाम् भूयश्च वार्षिक्या मनावृष्ट्यामनन्वसि मुनिभिः संस्मृता भूमौ सम्भविष्याम्ययोनिजा ततः शतेन नेत्राणां निरीक्ष्याम्यहं मुनीन् कीर्तयिष्यन्ति मनुजा शताक्षीमिति मां ततः ततोऽहमखिलं लोकम् आत्मदेहः समुद्भवैः भरिष्यामि सुराशाकैरावृष्टैः प्राणधारकैः शाकम्भरीति विख्यातिं तदा यास्याम्यहं भुवि तत्रैव च वदिष्यामि दुर्गमाख्यं महासुरम् दुर्गादेवीत विख्यातं तन्मे नाम भविष्यति पुनश्चाहं यदा भीमं रूपं कृत्वा हिमाचले रक्षांसि भक्षयिष्यामि मुनीनां त्राणकारणात् तदा मां मुनयः सर्वे स्तोष्यन्त्यानम्रमूर्तयः भीमादेवीति विख्यातं तन्मे नाम भविष्यति यदारुणाख्यस्त्रैलोक्ये महाबाधां करिष्यति तदाहं भ्रामरं रूपं कृत्वा संकेय षट्पदं त्रैलोक्यस्य हितार्थाय वदिष्यामि महासुरम् भ्रामरीति च मां लोकास्तदा स्तोष्यन्ति सर्वतः इत्थं यदा यथा बाधा दानवोत्था भविष्यति तदा तदावतीर्याहं करिष्याम्यरि संक्षयम् ॐ जयन्ति सांघायै सायुधायै सशक्तिखायै सपरिवारायै सवाहनायै गरुडवाहिन्यै नारायणन्यै नमो नमः।